What's up YouTube? MX Dude back with another video. So the 08 is pretty much done. So fully assembled. I already went and did a few test rides. Drive fantastic. So only thing I'm waiting on is the brand new lug nut, and I gotta go get some quarter pin for the hub nuts. So I'm missing the quarter pin and my new nuts. So that is pretty much done. Bike look really good. I won't be talking much in the video. I'm just gonna do a walk around, show the bike. So anyway, I'm gonna get it started, and I'm gonna start the video right back when I get the bike here running. So give me a second. So anyway, the bike is pretty much ready. It's fully rebuilt. Ran actually pretty freaking well. There's 2.7 hours since rebuild, I think. 2.8 actually. See, 2.8. So, yep, it is what it is. Pretty much ready. Just waiting on lug nut. And I need to go get some quarter pine at Kenny's and tire. Anyway, that's about it. I'll talk to you guys on the next build. Peace out.